Hey, what up, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate Special Edition. I got it on Friday, December 7th, 2018, which is launch day. I pre-ordered this through Target because you get a $5 Target gift card after you purchase it. I pre-ordered 2 copies of Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, but I never knew about the special edition until a day before the release date. I decided to pick it up and I got it for myself, and I also got the regular version for my brother. Let's see what you get for the $140 price tag. The box is really nice. The front has of course the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate cover art, and it is embossed so that you can feel the characters, logo, and even the controller protruding. One of the corners of my box is a little damaged, but that's probably my fault for transporting the box so carelessly. So with this bundle you get the game itself, a black Steelbook case with a fiery Super Smash logo, and a Super Smash Bros. Themed Pro controller. You can buy just the Pro controller by itself for $75 if you already have the game or just want the controller by itself. The game and the Pro controller amounts to $135, which is about the same price if you got them separately, but you also get the Steelbook case that the cartridge comes in that adds to the value. If you're planning to get a Pro controller and Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, I highly recommend getting this special edition if you can find it. I'll make sure to put links to the game and the Pro controller in the description if you're interested in checking them out. The Steelbook case is awesome. It doesn't have a flashy cover or design, which is my kind of case. It's black and just has a fiery Super Smash Bros. Logo. I really like these steel cases because they just become much more collectible compared to the regular plastic cases. On the inside you have what looks to be a stage, and there is some foil to make it pop out more. That's really cool because it's the little details that count. That's pretty much it to the Steelbook besides the place to store your cartridge. Then we have the Pro controller. It looks like it comes in the regular retail packaging, which is nice. Inside, you get the Pro controller itself and a fairly long durable charging cable. I'm not going to use this cable though because I have the Nintendo Switch charger and a couple other USB-C cables that I'm currently using. The Pro controller has one of the best feeling joysticks that I've ever used. It's very smooth and the resistance is just perfect in my opinion. The buttons are huge, which makes them easier to press, but they aren't clicky, which isn't bad at all to be honest. I just prefer my buttons to be clicky and tactile like the ones on the Joy-Cons. You can use the Pro controller while using the Joy-Cons, which is very useful because you can do up to 8 players in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. I highly recommend getting a Pro controller or something similar like a GameCube controller because it's a lot better than the Joy-Cons when playing Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. I really like the color scheme of the Pro controller. The handles are white and there is a silver Super Smash Bros. Logo on the front. Other than that, I guess it's just a regular Pro controller. It's a little transparent on the black portion of the body, but you won't be able to see much. You can see the battery on the back and the board inside if you look hard enough. Last but not least, I just have a regular copy of Super Smash Bros. Ultimate that I got from my brother so that he could play as well. I wanted to unbox it here because I was curious to see what the differences were. With the special edition, I did not get any sort of paperwork with the game, and the case is the same with the regular version. You just get the game and not a single sheet of paper. I'm definitely enjoying Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, and I highly recommend this game if you don't have it already. I haven't played too much because I currently don't have the time, but I am pumped up for the story mode. Let me know what you think of the game by leaving a comment in the comment section. Also, leave a comment telling me what characters you have already unlocked in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. As always, I'll try to leave links in the description to everything that I mentioned in this video. That was my unboxing video of the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate Edition for the Nintendo Switch. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Also, make sure to visit my social media links in the description and follow me there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!